Hello everybody. Well, it's Wednesday and we had a down day today. The market opened up down and stayed there all day. And I want to talk about the part of the portfolio that went up today. And this is not as often talked about. We mostly hear about the stock market. The bond market was up today, and the bond holdings that we have in our portfolio were up today. And one of the pieces that we added to the portfolio 2 weeks ago has been up quite a bit in that 2-week period, and that's this extended duration treasury, which I'm using as kind of a hedge against the stock market fall. So during times of stress, when people start selling their stocks, they're often moving that money into bonds, and we've seen the price of bonds gain. And that's why they're in the portfolio, and they're ideal for that. So they have been providing some nice softening of the downside. And so we'll continue to develop the bond side of the portfolio. It's a really important piece, especially in these environments, because it allows us to maybe fall a lot less than we would without them, and then we can hopefully then recover sooner because it's just easier if we don't go down as far. So those are the parts of the portfolio that very rarely get talked about. Obviously, we talked about the large stocks last time, but the bonds are also a really important piece in making sure that we have a good balance. So I want to thank everybody for all your nice comments. I hope that you are doing well and keep safe, and I look forward to talking to you tomorrow. Thank you very much.